Why does my boiler make a banging noise? There could be various reasons as to why your boiler is making a loud banging noise. Depending on the age and type of your boiler, you might find in an older type appliance with a cast iron heat exchanger that the heat exchanger has become kettled up over time, and you'll hear some crushing and banging as the water is travelling round the boiler. If your boiler is making a distinct boom type sound every time it tries to ignite, whether you're calling for heating or hot water, this may be a sign of delayed ignition. This is something that can be rectified by your engineer, but would need a site visit to make sure that they get to the cause of the problem and get the correct parts in order to rectify the problem for you.